Hello, welcome to the online module for day 2 of the 5-day District Technology Training Plan. In this course, integrating technology into centers or curriculum, we were going to be taking a look at SAMR today. We will be reading articles, watching videos, taking quizzes, playing games, and participating in discussion boards to help show your understanding of SAMR. You will have 2 quizzes in this online module, one on SAMR and another on SAMR compared to Bloom's taxonomy. Each of these quizzes consist of 4 questions, so in total you will be answering 8 quiz questions. You will need to answer 6 out of 8 correct. In addition to doing well on these quizzes, you also need to contribute to the course by posting on the discussion board and responding to 2 other comments. Meeting both of those 2 areas of success will help you pass this course. This course is online and self-paced. Self-paced can really help learners, and I hope that you find a way to fit this into your schedule and that this online module works best for you. Now let's take a look at the actual course. When you first start this module, you will be on the course overview page. Hopefully this is where you are watching this current video. As you complete each module by reading the different content, reading the articles, or watching videos, you will either be able to move to different modules on the side, or towards the top of your screen there will be a complete and continue button that will walk you through these modules. These modules can have different words, pictures, links to read, and videos to watch. Some will have quiz questions where you can click on answers. Some will have a video to watch and quiz questions so you can go back and watch again. We have a link to practice, play a Jeopardy game, practicing what you've learned for SAMR. And lastly, there is a discussion board. It asks you 2 questions that you can choose from, and then you are asked to respond to 2 other comments. There's also a questions module where you can comment to ask any questions that I can help clarify or answer for you. And last but not least, there is a feedback section. Once you click on this link, it will ask you to make a copy. If you can make a copy, there is a plus and delta form. If you could fill out the plus form with things that you liked and things that worked well, or the delta column for changes you would make or suggestions you have. And once you finish giving your feedback and ideas, please share it with me at kelly.amon@mcpsmd.net. Thank you and good luck on this course. I'm looking forward to hearing all of your ideas and know you'll do well.